So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change region in Istanbul Guys. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to istanbulguys.com/play. Once you've gone to there, you'll see a layout similar to this one. You can see your profile, some notifications as well as settings, and some of the other options like tournaments, events, and so on. So on here, in order to change your region, you can go to settings and you can see language, you can see server region, in-game notifications, and so on. So click on server region, click on change, and you can see here recommended for your ping to be lower. If you choose some other regions such as North America, India West, Central America, Asia, and so on, your ping will be higher. You also have the ability to choose the region that's closest to you, whether or not the ping is lower or higher, but I really suggest you use the region that has the lower ping. So you will see the option recommended, that will be probably at the top, and you can just click it. If you wish to change it, just click on it. So you can see here waiting, and now server region is changed. If you want to switch it back, as you can see the recommended tags is still on. You should most likely go to the recommended region that Istanbul Guys suggest. So that's how you can change the server region in Istanbul Guys. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Istanbul Guys or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.